Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat normal yon. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na siya sa Facebook. Pwede ka rin naman magpa-palm reading mula sa akin. Gagawa ko ng video for you, 20 to 30 minutes video or even more. Kung mag-avail ka ng Piyaw bracelet dun sa aking TikTok shop kasi may kasama na yung free palm reading. Okay? Pampaswerte yung bracelet na yon. It's real crystals and of course, na-cleanse yon, bless and charge. Hopefully, i-consider mo for your year 2024 para ma-attract mo din yung swerte sa buhay mo. Anyway, this is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Main energy, 4 of coins. Wow. Knight of Wands. Okay, nakakita ko na new beginning sa'yo. Actually, itong new beginning na ito with regard sa money, may possibility or possible na ikaw ay makapag-travel, makapag-ipon. Because of this new beginning is suportado ka ng mga kaibigan or maybe family mo, and I can see possible growth sa'yo. Nakikita natin mas makakaipon ka. Ayan, 7 of coins. May mag-grow sa'yo financially. And we do have here the Fool. So this new beginning, nakakita talaga tayo ng magandang blessings for you pagdating sa money. I don't know if your hands is laging nasa tubig or yung work mo, career mo, yung kamay mo lagi nasa tubig. But anyway, or maybe yung bibig mo non-stop sa pagsasalita. I can see you talking and talking and talking, and pwedeng yun yung magbibigay sa iyo ng pera yung galing mo. Galing ng mga kamay mo or galing ng bibig mo. So, kung ginagamit mo yung mga bagay na yun, nagagarantiyan natin ang dating ng blessings or ng money para sa'yo tuloy-tuloy. Some of you could be a member of LGBTQIA+. But anyway, I'm seeing a lot of success, celebration for you. May mga bagay ka mga ma-achieve dahil dito. Okay, for the person that you are dealing with pagdating sa love, person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love, spirit guides, angel guides, pagdating sa love, pagdating sa love, spirit guides, angel guides, pagdating sa love, for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, itong kakonect mo, you do have here the Justice card. I mean, I can feel the reversal here, so I will read that in reversal. 9 of Pentacles, the Magician. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. Yeah. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Libra energy. Okay, yung person na ito could be a person na very successful na. This person is not telling you the truth. Hindi niya sinasabi kung ano yung totoo. I'm feeling like meron siyang gustong i-offer or sabihin sa'yo, ibigay sa'yo. Hindi ko alam yung career niya, pwede may kinalaman din sa sa pag-e-entertain. 9 of Pentacles is here. Or 9 of Coins. Queen of Coins. 5 of Wands. Queen of Swords. Nakikita natin yung ibang tao na kailangan iwasan mo, no? Kasi nakakita tayo ng pagkakaaway, pagkakagulo. Actually, maraming pera sa'yo, or maraming pera dadating sa'yo. You don't have to think about these people na naiinggit sa'yo. Ayaw nilang magtagumpay ka. But with the Queen of Coins, nakikita natin na magtatagumpay ka. Wala magagawa itong mga taon. Kailangan mo silang iwasan. Hayaan mo na lang sila. Yeah. Huwag ka makinig sa mga ina-advise nila because you are already better. Whatever in your mind right now, whatever is in your mind right now, ano man yung mga natututunan mo, hayaan mo na lang kung ano sasabihin ng ibang tao kasi mas magaling ka pa sa kanila. You don't need to worry about kung ano man sasabihin nila, ano mang nasa isip nila. Ang itindihin mo na lang kung ano nasa isip mo, anong gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. I can see a lot of growth, development para sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangan itong mga taong ito. They are judging you sa mga bagay na hindi naman nila alam at hindi naman nila maintindihan. Okay, so panay pag-iwas ang ginagawa nitong taong to sa'yo. Deep inside, gusto niya makipag-reconcile, pero kailangan niya muna mag-ipon, ayusin ang sarili niya. Nagmamatigas tong person na to. This person, maybe, actually, masaya na siya kung ano yung meron sa inyo. If you're friends through social media, masaya na siya kasi nandiyan ka. Hindi ka pa rin tuluyang nawawala sa kanya. This person, pinipigilan niya isipin ka, pero hanggang ngayon naiisip ka pa rin niya. This person talagang nagpipigil, and I feel like this person is not being honest. Kasi financially, successful, sabihin na natin successful siya, or maybe you view this person as very successful person. Pero para sa kanya, kulang pa yun. Basta itong person na ito, walang movement. Ang mas movement na nakikita natin, umiiwas siya kasi wala pa siyang may offer sa'yo. I don't know if you're dealing with a Virgo. I can see or feel the energy of Virgo. Let's focus on your future. Future energy for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Future for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ten of Coins. Eight of Cups. Page of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Swords. Eight of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Five of Wands. Okay. In the near future, yeah, like what I've told you, money, 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 money. Ten of Coins, ang daming pera. Eight of Cups, I can see you reaching your dreams. This is you. Unti-unti mo, more on material, makukuha mo lahat ng mga, unti-unti, hindi man lahat agad. Pero unti-unti makukuha mo yung mga dating gusto mo lang. Pangarap mo lang. Maganda yun. Now with the Page of Wands, I can see a lot of messages. A lot of messages in the near future. And what is the messages all about? Patungkol saan itong mga message na ito, emails na ito. Yeah, I can see, you do have the Two of Swords. I feel like, oh wow. some kind of paghingi ng tulong. So, some of you, because you're having a lot of money, and then yung iba, pwedeng ipinopost yun sa social media, which is wala naman ako nakikitang mali doon. Of course, that's your accomplishments. Pinaghirapan mo yon, hindi mo naman yun hiningi. May karapatan kang ipagmalaki. But because of that, I can see a lot of people na lalapit sa'yo, hingi ng tulong, or hihingi na kung ano-ano. This is like a two of swords. Can you see the swords here? It's like saying no, wag. Ito kasing mga messages na ito ay could cause you a lot of money with the 5 of coins. Ayan, high chance din ng scam, high chance din na ikaw ay maloko, at high chance din na makuha yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. And this would, yan, can you see the 3 of wands? It's like, di ba parang sumabog yung ulo niya, and that is you. Sakit ng ulo lang ang binibigay nito. So, wag mo nang intindihin kung ano man itong mga tao na hihingi ng tulong sa'yo. Hindi ko naman sinabing sabihin na nating maging madamot ka muna. Yun na. Pero hindi ko sinasabing, kung talaga nangangailangan na i-anuhin mo. But, with the Knight of Cups, I know you do love, or you like this energy of you na nakakapagbigay, pero magtira ka naman para sa sarili mo. With the King of Cups, this is you do know how to love, and alam mo paano magmahal, pero dapat alam mo rin kung sino dapat mahalin. Dito sa mga taong to, sa ngayon, mas nakikita natin ang dapat mong mahalin na yung sarili mo. Because nakakita tayo ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, dahil dito sa bagay na ibinigay mo or ibibigay mo, yung iba sa inyo baliwala yung pagsasalita ko ng ganito. I can see some of you hindi pa rin naman nakikinig, or hindi pa rin naman susundin yun. But anyway, regarding love, someone is going to offer you new love, pero I feel like ang focus mo pa rin is work, career. Okay, but I can see a lot of love in the near future for you. Pero, ang focus mo talaga is money. Anyway, new person is coming. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.